Summer is here, and iced coffee is what all of us need, right? Most of us prefer easy at home recipes. So, hey, coffee lovers, check out this DIY method. Things you will need: granular coffee, water, sugar, and milk. Now, follow these quick steps. First, we add coffee granules to a tall glass or a mason jar. Then add about 30 ml or 2 tablespoons of hot water and stir it. Pro tip: it's best to use hot water as it helps sugar in coffee dissolve faster. Now we dilute the coffee with chilled water, about a cup or half a cup. Mix it all together thoroughly. If you're making it for more than 2 people, do not forget to use a whisk or a hand blender, as it's better for a large serving, and who wants that awful arm ache, right? Taste and sweeten the coffee as per your liking. You can use any kind of sweetener. Brown sugar, honey, and stevia are readily available alternatives. And hey, here's the ice, because you remember we were making iced coffee, right? Now slowly pour in the milk. And finally stir the whole concoction one last time. And voila! Your coffee is ready to be served. If you want to make your iced coffee extra special, you can add a few spoons of caramel sauce. And for chocolate lovers, a dollop of chocolate syrup would be heavenly. Quick question: do you like your coffee as strong as we do?